Are you struggling with bloating, food sensitivities, or brain fog? These can all be signs of a leaky gut. Today, I'm reviewing the top 4 supplements for healing and supporting gut health. I'll walk you through their key ingredients and why they matter. And I'll share a few simple tips that you can start using right away. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Katie Snow, and we help people transform their health naturally by using lifestyle changes, quality supplements, by using functional testing, professional whole food supplements, and dietary changes. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. Number 1 is Gut Rescue by Dr. Eric Snow. This formula is used to help soothe and protect the gut lining while balancing harmful microbes. It has 6 powerful ingredients. Organic clove bud, known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties, helping reduce bad bacteria and yeast. Reishi mushroom. This is an adaptogenic mushroom that calms inflammation and supports immune balance. And then there's wild bear garlic leaf, traditionally used for its antimicrobial and detoxifying benefits. Hyssop, and this helps with digestion and acts as a natural cleanser for the intestinal tract. And then there's aquaman, which is a mineralized red algae. It is a rich source of calcium, magnesium, and other trace minerals that support tissue repair and gut lining integrity. And last but not least is olive leaf. Olive leaf is a strong natural antimicrobial, especially useful against yeast and other bacteria. This blend not only defends against gut pathogens, but also nourishes and repairs the gut lining, making it an excellent foundational product. Number 2 is Physician Strength 100% Wild P73 Oil of Oregano. This is one of nature's strongest antimicrobials. It helps to clear out yeast, bad bacteria, and parasites, which are all common culprits in leaky gut. The P73 formula is special because it's made from wild, hand-picked oregano, and they ensure its purity and potency. And it's available in a small pearl capsule, which makes it easier to tolerate than just putting that strong oil into your mouth. This is a go-to when leaky gut is tied back to dysbiosis or candida overgrowth. Number 3 is MediHerb's Gut Flora Complex, another excellent formula for balancing microbe. It combines anise and andrographis for antibacterial and antifungal support. This formula also has philodendron, which contains berberine, a popular compound that reduces inflammation and swelling. And it also contains oregano, which we just talked about, as a broad spectrum antimicrobial herb. Gut Flora Complex is a very synergistic formula that tackles microbial imbalances that over time will inflame and weaken the gut barrier. So we have to get these microbial imbalances under control. And last but not least is number 4, Gut Restore by Dr. Eric Snow. While the other products repair and cleanse, this one focuses on rebuilding the gut microbiome. It contains a broad spectrum of probiotics, including the DE111 patented Bacillus subtilis, which is used to reseed the gut with good bacteria. It also includes prebiotics to feed those probiotics and help them thrive. Together, they restore microbial balance, improve digestion, and keep your gut lining strong for the long term. Now let me add, supplements are very powerful, but lifestyle is just as important. Here are a few quick tips that we share with our patients every day who are struggling with gut issues, such as leaky gut and dysbiosis. Remove irritants from your diet, like gluten, dairy, alcohol, and processed sugars. Eat gut-healing foods like bone broth, grass-fed meats, and fermented foods. Manage stress with mindfulness and deep breathing. Stress directly weakens the gut lining, so this is key. And prioritize 7 to 8 hours each night of sleep so that your body and your gut lining can repair. And whatever is blocking your sleep, you have to get a grip on this. Whether it is sleep interruptions, too much screen time before bed, eating too many carbohydrates close to bedtime, or the wrong pillow or mattress, or even pain that is waking you up. You have to fix these things. Go find a chiropractor or an acupuncturist that can help you with pain control. To recap, the 4 supplements that we talked about today that can be game changers for your leaky gut, and that is Gut Rescue, Oil of Oregano, Gut Flora Complex, and Gut Restore. Put these supplements together along with the lifestyle changes we talked about, and you've got a powerful roadmap for healing leaky gut. The link to these products are in the description box below. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more natural health tips and drop a comment below. Have you tried any of these supplements yet? We'd love to hear your feedback. I'm Dr. Katie Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.